This is for Year 12 Methods. It's the Technology Masterclass number 15, inverse functions, the third of these questions. Okay, I have this hyperbola. I've been asked to put it into this form, so I'm going to use my calculator to do that. 2x plus 1. If I don't use the calculator, I have to do polynomial division. I select it, interactive, transform, fraction to proper fraction, and it's going to equal 2 minus 7 on top of x plus 4. So I've done that. State the range of f. Well, I know there's an asymptote at 2 and at -4, and it's a negative, so it's going to be there and there, so it's going to be all real numbers except 2. State the rule of the inverse of this function. Okay, so if I've got this and I say I make that y and I make it equal x, which is what I do. I replace my x and y and I go interactive advance, solve for y. It gives me this expression here, which is the inverse equals 1 minus 4x over x minus 2. There was nothing to say that the rule had to be given in the form of a this form here. And lastly, find the point of intersection where the function cuts. So where does this equal x? And if I go interactive advanced solve for x, I get 2 answers, and I'm going to have points of intersection will be -1 minus root 2 and -1 minus root 2, because the y value and the x value will be the same, and -1 plus root 2 and -1 plus root 2 will be my 2 points of intersection.